Heading out on the water? Your safety comes first. Watch this quick video to learn essential boating safety protocols before you go. Boating with only 2 people means staying alert and looking out for each other. Both people should know their swimming abilities, wear proper safety gear, and stay prepared. Before anyone enters the water, turn off the engine completely and remove the engine shutoff cord. Never swim near a running boat engine. A stopped engine helps keep everyone safer. Wear a properly fitted life jacket before getting on the boat or entering the water. Make sure it is secure, comfortable, and appropriate for your size and activity. Download the free Boat US app before your trip. Check the weather and use its location features to find your latitude and longitude during an emergency. Make sure your co-pilot can access it too. Before entering the water, secure every float, water toy, and piece of safety gear to the boat. Properly attached equipment stays close by and prevents items from drifting away. Before anyone gets into the water, make sure the boat is securely anchored. Lower the anchor carefully into the water and confirm the boat is holding firmly before swimming. Always secure the boat ladder before entering or exiting the water. Make sure it is fully extended, stable, and locked into position before anyone uses it. For added safety, attach a whistle to each life jacket. Whistles are for emergencies only. Remember, 2 people, 2 life jackets, a secure boat, secured gear, and a working safety plan. Children under 13 should wear a properly fitted life jacket at all times while on the boat. Anyone who cannot swim confidently should also wear one throughout the trip. Before you go, check the weather, stop the engine, secure the anchor, ladder, floats, and safety gear, and make sure everyone is properly equipped. A few safety checks can make a big difference.